the night before. At 6 o'clock I'll be at your door. Not packed, no sacks, but the gas tank was full. The escape was planned, they headed out. They'd be on time without a doubt. The Gilligan girls on a road trip through Roswell. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Mary Ann stayed, needing no proof. She trusted Ginger to know the route. They drove on in Libya. They stopped for drinks, they stopped for lunch. They stopped to pee without a hunch. Without gas, they couldn't move on. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. They've been on this road before. They've seen the signs, they know the score. Glancing at the Cascades over Thuya. Now Triple A and Thomas too. The sheriff went out front for you. The group was new and took a liking to you. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Officer Wheeler, married 9 years. His friendliness alleviated their fears. The mention of Thomas brought his top face on. His political views didn't include Trump, with Hillary in jail and Biden bumped. Michelle Obama was president. Walk on. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hours later the gas arrived. I slid behind bars, but they survived. With pictures and copious text to tell the story. They'll weave every tale as they go, but Jim and George must never know. They moved on down the road to tell their story. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.